Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to second PUC statistics online classes. In the previous class we had discussed about how to prepare blank table using classified characteristics. In this class we are going to discuss how to write values in the table. Okay, let's see the problem number 1, that is in a sample study about the food habits of residents of Agrahar village. The following data were observed. In that 55% of the residents were male and 85% were vegetarians and only 12% were non-vegetarians female. And tabulate the above information. So before tabulate, let's see what are the characteristics are given. So here given characteristics are, or classifications are characteristics. So that is, see the sample study about the food habits. So here the problem is based on food habits. Therefore here first classification is food habit. Okay, food habit. Next, following food habit of residents of Agrahara village. The following data were observed. So here given observations, 55% of the residents were males. So males in the sense what? Here genders are given. So second classified observation classification is gender. And here gender is classified as male and female. See here one more word is given, female, right? No, so here gender classification is classified as male and female. Then next let's see, 55% of the residents were males and 85% were vegetarians. So vegetarians in the sense what? That is food habits. So here 12% were non-vegetarians. So in the sense what? Here, so food habits are classified as two characteristics, that is, so yeah, this is that is vegetarians and I will write like this, okay, vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Vegetarians. See, these are the classifications given in the question. So this, see the first classification, that is food habit. Food habit is classified as vegetarians and non-vegetarians. And here the second classification is gender. Gender is classified as male and female. Next let's see the solution. Okay, before tabulate the above information, we need to write title. So what title is suitable for this problem? So here the title is, this is not blank table. So why? Because here observations are given. Therefore the solution is, this table represents, so this is gender wise observation, right? The table represents gender wise food habit of a residents of Agrahara village. Food habit of residents of Agrahara village. Okay, this is suitable title for this question. So title is, table represents gender wise food habit of residents of Agrahar village. Okay, now let's see how to tabulate this information. See, so what are the classifications are given here in this problem? That is food habits, it is veg and non-veg, and gender, that is male and female. Oh, see here only two classifications are given. So I will divide this cell as two parts. So first one is food habit, another one is gender. So gender I will write here. So in front of gender, what are the genders are given? That is male and female. As usual, the last column is total. Next, So two classifications are given, no? So here gender is over. The remaining one classification is food habit. So here food habits are veg and non-veg. The last one is total. See, here given informations are like this. So 55% of the residents were male. So 55, so see, this cell represents the total number of male vegetarians. This cell indicates number of female vegetarians, and this cell indicates total number of vegetarians. Like that, this cell indicates number of male non-vegetarians, this cell indicates number of female non-vegetarians, and this cell indicates now total number of non-vegetarians. Like that, this cell indicates total number of male, and this indicates total number of female population, and this total in this column indicates the total number of populations in Agrahar village. See, this problem is based on percentage, correct, no? So this problem is based on percentage, in the sense here total number is, grand total is 100. Why? Because see, percentage in terms 100, right? So here total number of people, total number of population in Agrahara village is 100. Next, see the first observation. What is the observation is given? That is 55% of the residents were male. So 55% of the residents were male. So here in the sense what total number of males are 55%. See, this is total number of males are 55%. So here we need to write 55. See, this is 55% of residents were male. So they didn't give veg or non-veg, they give only the total number of residents were male. So in the sense 55, total number of males are 55. Next, second one, 85% were vegetarians. So 85% are vegetarians. They didn't give men or male or female population, they given 85% were vegetarians. So total number of vegetarians is 85. Next, 12% were non-vegetarians. 12% were non-vegetarians females. Non-vegetarian, this cell indicates non-vegetarian females. So given observation is 12. Now see, so these are the given observations. Okay, now we need to write the we need to fill remaining observations. That I will write it on footnote. Okay, that I will write it in footnote. See, first I will find total number of females. So how to find out total number of females? See, here overall total is 100. Then total number of male is 55. Then how to find total number of females? So that we can write 100 minus 55. So what is the value 100 minus 55? That is 45. Okay, I will mark it as star. So what is star here? 45 star in the sense that is 100 minus 55. See, so just cross check, 55 plus 45 is 100. So our problem is, so this is correct. Okay, next, see here total number of vegetarians are given and total number of populations are given. Then how to find out total number of non-vegetarians? That is 100 minus 85. That is 15. So here I will write 15 star, that is 100 minus 85. And see here, yes, female non-vegetarians are 12. Then how, now next here we need to find female vegetarians. How to find out female vegetarians? That is 45 minus 12. So here it is 33. So here I will write 33 star is, that is 45 minus 12. Next, so here we need to find now male vegetarians and male non-vegetarians. See here the overall total is 85. So in the sense what here female vegetarians are 33. So next we need to find here yes, male vegetarians. So how to find out male vegetarians? That is 85 minus 33. So 52. So here we need to write 52. How to find 52, student? 85 minus 33. Okay, next see here only one column is remaining, that is male vegetarians. So how to find out male vegetarians? That is, yes, 15 minus 12. 3. So this is all about tabulation. Just cross check, see. So here grand total is 100 in the sense what? 85 plus 15 is 100 only. 33 plus 12. So total is 45 only. Then 52 plus 3, that is 55 only. Then 52 plus 33, 85 only. 3 plus 12 is 15 only. So these are the tabulations of the above information. Yes. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.